Imagine noise cancellation so good, the world just disappears. Bose dropped a teaser for the QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds 2 tonight, and it's got audio fans losing their minds. Next level ANC, a new transparency mode, and a reveal dropping April 22nd. This is about to redefine your sound. Wanna know more? Let's crank it up. Bose just lit up the audio scene with the teaser for the QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds 2, and it's trending big time among music lovers and tech geeks. Promising next-level noise cancellation, these buds are set to outdo their already legendary predecessors. The kicker? A brand new transparency mode to keep you connected to the world when you need it. Slated for an April 22nd reveal, whispers on X are hyping a smaller, comfier fit and longer battery life. Bose is playing for keeps, and we're here for it. Why is everyone buzzing? Bose already set the bar sky high with the QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds, some of the best ANC in the game, period. Think silencing subway rumbles, airplane hums, or the one loud coworker. The teaser hints they're pushing it further. Next level means deeper silence, maybe smarter tech to zap even trickier noises like voices or wind. In that new transparency mode, expect crystal clear awareness, perfect for catching a barista's call without yanking out your buds. If Bose nails this, your playlists are about to feel like a private concert. Now let's talk leaks, because the internet's been busy. Early chatter points to a smaller fit, which is huge for comfort during long listens. No more ear fatigue, just pure sound for hours. Battery life is another biggie. Rumors say we're getting a boost past the original 6 hours, maybe even 8 with ANC on. Add in Bose's custom-tuned tech, which tailors sound to your ears, and you've got a recipe for audio bliss. Snapdragon sound and aptX adaptive might stick around too, keeping your tunes crisp and lag-free. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a flex. Mark your calendars. April 22nd is when Bose spills the full tea. Expect a polished design, probably in black or white smoke, with that IPX4 sweatproof swagger for workouts or rainy commutes. The Bose Music app will likely let you tweak ANC levels and transparency, plus EQ settings for bass heads or vocal lovers. Audio fans on the X are calling this a potential 2025 game changer, and with Bose's track record, they're not wrong. Whether you're a commuter, a gym rat, or just vibe to music all day, these buds are shaping up to be your new best friend. That's the lowdown on Bose's QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds 2 teaser, next level ANC, new transparency, and a whole lot of promise. What's got you most excited? The silence or the sound? Drop it in the comments.